Today we're going to eat. Hi, welcome to Spain with Martina, and today I've taken you to a restaurant that's right on the beach called Roman. And what are we going to eat here? We're here to have a paella. Yeah, because this restaurant is famous for its paella, and we ordered seafood, so see how they actually serve or how they serve real Spanish paella here. And the paella is actually the most famous here from here, the Valenciana. Yeah, that's the most famous area, because elsewhere when you have paella, they call it just rice, although here they also call it just rice. But this is real paella. And look where the restaurant is. The novel is in the Rinçon de Loire. So look at the beautiful weather here. People are still on the beach. It's September, actually the end of September, so the restaurant Roman is right on the beach. There's dancing in the evening. It doesn't look like the end of September, does it? Let's see the menu. So they have salads, but we're here for the paella, so let's look at the paella prices. Don't forget, we're right on the beach, so the prices might be a little higher. You see the pizza here is €12. They call it rice, and you have to order for at least 2 people. So if the price is €15, you have to multiply that by 2, so the paella is €30. To make our wait for the paella more enjoyable, we also ordered pan alioli, toasted bread and actually with mayonnaise with garlic. And they also gave us grated tomato and brought us olives to go with it. Cheers, 1 beer, so it's spread on the bread, little cuttlefish. They're tough, I'll give the other one a chance. Seafood isn't the same everywhere. We have a couple of pubs where we go for these dishes. Let's take a walk around the restaurant. You see, it's alive here. The beach is right here, so you actually just walk across the path here. And we're on the beach. Gracias. So they've already brought us paella. Paella is called because it's here in this pan that's called paellera, so that's why it's paella. That's right. We scoop. It looks like a lot of it, but it's not because it's actually one little layer, and they had appetizers, so that's enough for us. But I would say it's really just for 2. It's really good. If you don't like seafood, I don't think it would be good for that. This seafood here, it's called cigala, and it's more expensive than the langostinos here. They have chairs here, down the stairs, and I didn't notice because I'm sitting with my back. But my daughter said they sat there at the table and got up and ran away without paying. Price total €59, Coca-Cola 2, €80, Nestea 3, €30, beer cost 2, €20, Panali Oli 2, €50, but they gave us 2 portions, so €5. Small sepia, as I originally thought they cost €9. They cost €11 and paella €30, and water €3, not cheap here. But we are on the beach. That comes at a price too. But I'll ask the young people. It was good. They liked it. I'm not really into seafood paella, but what wouldn't I do for you on the canal? So, cool. Who's asking? Where's the atmosphere? Well, I definitely recommend Benidorm. It's not going to be atmospheric from January to March. We're going for ice cream here. I like the ice cream on tap. Look at the prices. It's delicious. It's like a real vanilla ice cream. It's delicious. I've said that in a couple of videos. There's a microclimate in Benidorm that's unlike anywhere else because it's surrounded by mountains. So the weather is very stable and it doesn't rain much. Subscribe to the channel and give a like. And if you think someone might enjoy the video, be sure to share. My microclimate, which is nowhere else but here because someone could use it, so definitely share. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe and be sure to let me know your thoughts on paella. Thanks so much and see you on the next video. Have a great day.